Mammoth Door offers complete garage door service and repairs in Waterford, Michigan. As your one-stop service provider, we can handle your garage door needs, both big and small. We provide personal service and exceptional quality. Our unparalleled service, competitive prices, and overall value are why our loyal customers won't go anywhere else. We fix any make and model of garage doors and openers regardless of where it was purchased, whether it is new or old, residential or commercial. Broken springs, cables, rollers, gear and sprocket, chain, opener, bent door, or even entry doors. And don't worry, if we are unable to repair your garage door or opener, your consultation and service call are free. Please call 248-636-0645. That's 248-636-0645. Mammoth Door.